fighting a losing battle today. Just trying to get these little dwarf walls done. Excuse the wind, and got a mic. So we're just coming down there, filling in this side. Sort of built up over there, but it just keeps coming. The weather just comes from there. Trying to get on, but nightmare. What can you do, eh? What can you do? Can only persevere. We can't sit at home and do nothing, can we? Bit more covering up due to the old rain, which comes from that direction there. But we managed to get some done today. Ducking in and out of the weather. Just a little bit to finish there and there, and then concreting there.